Imagine winning the lottery. 6 numbers just changed your life forever.
$15 million.
With a huge check bringing newfound wealth, your dream home just became a reality. Sounds fantastic, right?
Oh my God!
I'm about to go along with recent winners for the search of their lifetime.
Oh, David.
Do the $1 million dance. Perfect. This is my lottery dream home. Yolanda, yes, you're my spirit animal. Ooh, I know who you are.
Yeah.
You're fun and fabulous. Well, congratulations on your win.
Thank you.
Tell me all about it.
This one particular night, I got 5 $20 tickets. So
That's
I spent
a lot.
like $100, yes. When I scratched it, I was like, oh my God, y'all. I called my daughter, I was like, help me see this.
Right.
I just scratched a lottery ticket for $1 million. She said, you're kidding me. It was wonderful. When that money hit my account, I called my mom. And she had already put her deeds up to her house. I paid everything. I paid all of her debt off. Before I spent even one dime, I did that for my mom.
I love everything about it. Now it's time to
Yes.
help yourself.
Yes.
Because you deserve it.
Thank you.
Tell me about this dream house.
3-bedroom. If anything happened with my mom, since she's getting older, I would definitely move her in with me.
I love that. So a
I
3-2.
Yes.
All right, how many square footage would you like?
Not to go over maybe 1,500.
Okay. Keep it very manageable.
Yes.
Yeah. Yard?
Yes, I definitely want a yard.
Okay. How much money are you gonna give me?
We'll say maybe 200,000, like the highest.
The highest.
Yes.
Perfect. I'm excited for this. What do you think of this lovely home?
Gorgeous.
Isn't it cute?
Yes, I love the landscape. Beautiful.
Lake Talquin has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, has 1,400 square feet. We're at the very top of your budget at $200,000. But there is a bonus room, and I'm excited to show you that. Come here, give me your hand. Oh my God, look at all these jewels. Oh, it's got great
Oh my God,
landscaping.
it is.
Okay, here we go. Come on in, honey bun.
I like it when it's open like that from the kitchen because I do a lot of cooking.
Absolutely, it's modern day living.
Yes.
All right, so we have a great eat-in kitchen here, and then we have a really nice kitchen.
And it's not really, really big.
Right, so you don't want a huge
this
kitchen.
No, I don't. The cabinets are beautiful.
Do you like the color?
Yes.
Look around, see if it's all to your liking.
Yes. Oh, this is great
It's
right
good
here.
size, right?
Yes. I could get a lot done in this kitchen.
Good.
I could cook.
You're amazing. All right, so I'm gonna save the best for last, but let's go look at the guest bedrooms,
Okay.
shall we? This whole side of the house is for the guests. One smaller bedroom and a decent bathroom too. Next to a bigger bedroom, perfect for Lala's mom. Is it big enough?
Yes.
Is she bougie?
No, she's really simple, just like me.
Oh, there's nothing simple about you, honey.
She does.
Let's check out the main bedroom and the bonus room, which I'm excited to show you. This is technically the main bedroom. It's a decent size,
Yes.
right? This will all continue through here. So here is the main bathroom. Got a
Wow.
shower over here, double sinks.
I love it. This is amazing.
Good. You want more amazing? Walk through here.
Wow.
I am sorry. I want to have all of these shoes
I am-
for myself.
In heaven.
And then, well, it doesn't stop. And here is that bonus room I was talking about.
This is beautiful.
Isn't this huge?
It is.
Your
Yes.
mom could have any of the other bedrooms.
This is definitely a bonus.
Wait until Yolanda sees the fenced-in yard, big enough to entertain all of those grandkids.
Wow, this is nice.
Isn't this great?
Yes, it's a deck
There's plenty of room over here.
for a swimming pool.
Ooh, you want to put a pool in?
Yes,
I love that. Do you like the house?
I do.
Good.
It is really, really nice.
So what do you want to see tomorrow?
Maybe something that was newly built.
Oh, yeah. But I do have a newly renovated house, but it's in Tallahassee.
I'm open for anything.
Why not? Me too. I am so excited to show Lala this property because it's stunning to look at. It's got great finishes. just like her. It's got those beautiful touches just like her. Orange Blossom Villa has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
It's just shy of 1,600 square feet. And again, it's on a nice large lot for your grandbabies.
Right.
And we're just shy of 200,000, just a few dollars less. We're at the top of your budget again.
Okay.
But I'm dying to show you the house because I think you're gonna forget that there's not even a garage.
Okay.
Are you ready for
I can
this?
clearly see past it.
Take my arm, baby. So nice, right?
Yes.
Love the painted brick. All right, here we go. All right, my love. Come on in.
Wow.
Right? It's an older home, but completely renovated. It's brand new on the inside.
I like it. It's so open in here.
Come on into this beautiful kitchen.
Wow.
Right?
Oh my God, I'm falling in love with this
Right?
house.
It's yummy.
Already see me in here like cooking up a storm in
That's
here.
a great sign.
Me and my wigs, just looking cute.
And the backyard is huge. Just add grandbabies.
Look at the space.
My kids will have so much fun out here. It's
Cool.
so open and it's fenced so I can keep them all intact and just let them get
Keep 'em
out.
watching.
Yes, this house is amazing.
Yeah.
I fell in love behind every door.
Right. Good.
Yes. I still would have it on my mind that my mom was in Quincy.
And that's like 30 minutes from here, right?
Yes. So if I could get all this great quality in Midway, I would be the happiest woman alive.
So today we're gonna check out Coral Cottage. It's in a beautiful neighborhood and we're coming in low on the budget. That's extra money for her to do whatever she wants.
Hi.
Oh, you're sporty Lala today.
Thank you. Actually, I'm Roxanne.
Oh,
Call me Roxy.
is that her name?
Yes. Red eyes.
You have red eyes. Oh my God. Not a lot of people can pull that off, but you can.
Thank you.
All right, so let me tell you a little bit about Coral Cottage. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's our smallest of homes at just over 1,100 square feet. And we're coming in at our lowest price range at $177,000.
Wow.
Yeah, saving money.
Yes.
You could get some tattoos or piercings or buy more clothes. And I understand we need to get you into a house.
Yes.
All right, dear. Will this be the one? Ready to see this?
Yes.
Come on in.
Wow. The ceilings. Oh my God. I love the high ceiling. Yes, I love the fireplace. That is definitely a plus.
Good, right? And then here we have our kitchen.
Wow. It is nice. It's cozy, smaller than the other kitchen.
It is. It's our smallest of kitchens.
If I have family over, we're always gonna be in each other's way or in each other's vicinity.
And you like that,
love
don't
it.
you?
I love it. A smaller space gonna bring closeness.
This house may be cozy, but it still has a guest bedroom, a really good-sized bathroom, and of course, a room just for mom.
Perfect. Just enough space for just
Yeah,
her.
nice size. We have a queen size bed here. It fits nicely. And here is our main bedroom.
Wow. This is nice. I love the ceilings.
Ceilings are great, right?
Yes.
There's a perfect little ensuite bathroom too. But I can't wait to show her the backyard.
Look how great this backyard is.
Wow. Plenty of space.
Do you see that?
Oh my God.
I mean, look how cute it is. It's so nice. It's got such great personality.
Yes.
After you, my love.
Wow. Oh
This
my
is nice,
God.
right? Because I think we're all a little bit of a swinger.
I really feel like a grandma on this swing.
You do?
Yes.
Do you like all the houses that I showed you?
Yes.
Good.
It's gonna be a hard decision. All houses were equally nice.
All so different. All
Yes.
offered a different type of way of living, and what you need to figure out is how you want to live, and of course, with your gigantic family.
Yes.
And with your wigs.
Yes.
And your clothes.
Yes.
All of it.
All of that.
Have you made a decision?
After careful consideration, I think I'm gonna go with
You're killing me. Spill it. Come on.
Coral Cottage.
I love that place for you. It's close to your mom.
Yes.
It's close to your grandbabies.
Yes.
And I know when you saw that backyard, that was it for you.
Yes. The whole house is amazing.
Right.
But the gazebo came right in and saved the day.
Oh, yeah. It was
Yes.
so fun. I am so
Yeah.
excited for you.
I am too. I've enjoyed every minute of it.
And you have deserved every second. Coral Cottage, here we come.
Yes.
Yeah, Gma's pad.
G-Mom's pad.
Love that.
I decided to go with Coral Cottage, and I've been in here about 2 weeks now. I don't even think words can explain, but the house is so, so, so awesome. Today is the first day that I'm gonna be inviting people over, and my mom is coming, so I toned it down a bit. This is gonna be Bella. She's more mild, mannerable. I am so, so excited for my mom to see it. And now, today has come. It is the day. I am a little bit nervous. I think. Mommy! Come in. Look at this. Nice. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna show her quarters of the house, her room, her own domain.
This is mine?
Yes.
Wow.